Welcome to the ultimate guide to making money in 2025. Imagine earning extra cash using nothing but your phone with zero upfront investment. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's real, and in this video, I'm revealing 10 brand new apps that you can start using today to generate income without spending a single dime. Stick with me because I'll not only explain how each app works, but also share insider tips to maximize your earnings. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. You love discovering new ways to grow your income online. Let's dive right in. 1. TaskPerks. Starting off with TaskPerks, a microtask app that rewards you for completing small, simple jobs. Whether it's answering surveys, testing new websites, watching ads, or even reviewing apps, TaskPerks makes it easy to earn on the go. Here's how it works. You sign up for free, choose tasks you're interested in, and complete them at your convenience. Each task has a set payout, and once you reach the minimum withdrawal amount, usually just $5, you can cash out through PayPal or gift cards. Pro tip: stick to high-paying surveys or app reviews to maximize your time. You can easily earn up to $10 per hour if you pick tasks wisely. 2. SkillSnap. Next is SkillSnap, a freelancing app designed to connect skilled individuals with clients worldwide. Are you good at graphic design, content writing, social media management, or even voiceovers? SkillSnap is perfect for you. Unlike other freelancing platforms, SkillSnap doesn't charge you commission on your earnings. All you have to do is create a profile, list your skills, and clients will contact you with offers. Why I love this app: it's beginner-friendly. Even if you're just starting, you can find entry-level gigs like writing short blog posts or creating simple logos. Plus, there's no bidding war, you get paid fairly for your work. 3. Vidurner. For content creators, Vidurner is a game changer. This app pays you for uploading short videos, similar to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. But here's the catch: you get rewarded based on how many views and likes your videos get. You don't need professional video editing skills or fancy equipment. Just share your thoughts, funny moments, or even simple tutorials right from your phone. Your earnings grow as your audience engages with your content. Pro tip: focus on trending topics and add catchy captions to grab viewers' attention. Even posting consistently can lead to a steady passive income stream over time. 4. Cashwalk. How about earning while staying healthy? With Cashwalk, you get paid for every step you take. It's a pedometer app that tracks your daily steps and converts them into redeemable points for cash, gift cards, or discounts. The best part? You don't need to do anything extra, just walk as you normally would. Whether you're walking your dog, jogging in the morning, or pacing around your house, every step counts toward your earnings. Insider tip: combine Cashwalk with fitness challenges to double your motivation and rewards. 5. Snapseller. Got unused items at home? Snapseller is here to turn your clutter into cash. This app makes selling easier than ever. All you need to do is snap a picture of the item, upload it, set your price, and wait for buyers to contact you. From clothes to gadgets, furniture to books, Snapseller ensures a quick and easy selling process. They even help promote your items to potential buyers in your area, so you don't have to do the hard work. 6. TypoCash. If you're good at typing, you'll love TypoCash. This app lets you earn money by completing simple transcription tasks, like converting audio files into text or proofreading documents. Each task has a clear payout, and you can pick and choose what fits your schedule. Whether you have 10 minutes or 2 hours to spare, TypoCash makes it possible to earn from anywhere. Pro tip: work on your typing speed and accuracy to qualify for high-paying tasks. Many users earn between $8 and $15 an hour on this app. 7. Play-Doh Earn. Arcade. Calling all gamers, Play-Doh Earn. Arcade pays you to play fun games on your phone. Whether you're into strategy, puzzles, or action games, this app rewards you with real cash or gift cards based on your performance in tournaments and challenges. It's free to join, and you can start competing with players worldwide to climb leaderboards. Plus, the more you play, The more you earn, it's a perfect way to turn your gaming hobby into a source of income. 8. Institutors. Are you knowledgeable in any subject? Institutors is a tutoring app that connects you with students from around the globe. You can teach anything from math and science to languages and even music lessons. Here's how it works. Create a tutor profile, set your hourly rate, and start teaching online through video calls. The app handles all the payment processes, so you can focus entirely on helping your students. Insider tip: offer free trial lessons to attract more students and build your credibility quickly. 9. Surveynist. Surveys are a classic way to earn, and Surveynist takes it to the next level in 2025. This app offers higher payouts than most survey apps, and you can complete surveys on topics that interest you, from product review. Each survey typically takes 5 to 15 minutes to complete, and you'll get paid directly to your PayPal account. The more surveys you complete, the higher your payout rate becomes over time. Pro tip: check the app frequently for new surveys. They fill up quickly. 10. DigiPromote. Finally, we have DigiPromote, a unique app for anyone interested in affiliate marketing. The app provides you with products to promote on social media. Each time someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Even if you have a small social media following, DigiPromote helps you get started with templates and promotional material. It's perfect for beginners looking to break into digital marketing without any upfront cost. Wow, we've just covered 10 incredible earning apps for 2025, all requiring no investment. Whether you want to freelance, create content, play games, or even just walk, there's something for everyone. Now it's your turn. Which app are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, this is just the beginning. More exciting tips and apps are coming your way. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Until next time, happy earning!